Lattics can easily convert your articles into flashcards. By default, the articles and cards will be presented in the form of questions and answers, and the title will be displayed on the front of the flashcard as the question. Click Show Answer to display the body text, which is the answer. When you highlight part of the content, the flashcard will display that content as a fill-in-the-blank question. When the mouse is moved over the empty part, the content will be displayed. In the main text, if there are list items and the correct answer options are highlighted, the flashcard will display the content as a multiple-choice question. Click to check and answer the questions. When all the choices are correct, the answer will be automatically judged correct. Lattics also provides the Ebbinghaus memory function. When turned on, Lattics will automatically record the reviewed cards and follow the Ebbinghaus memory curve to calculate the time of its next appearance, automatically inserting it into the review process when reviewing the cards. Lattics also provides statistics for flashcard review. You can check the number of cards reviewed every day in the past 30 days, the latest reviewed items, and other information at any time.